Hello everybody, welcome back. It's day one off road still. We're now still in the paddock before the race start. Just a quick update on time. It's about 22:06 Romanian time. That's the 20:04 UK time. We're just with the factory KTM. And I can just see Nathan Watson there. We'll try and get a quick chat with Nathan. Morning Nathan and Jonny. Hi, how are you doing? Alright. Hi guys. Very early. Do you like these early starts, Nathan?
I wouldn't say I like them now, but to be honest, I feel good. Quite excited to get started. So the morning wasn't a problem today, but I think later in the week it's going to be difficult.
Happy with how the prologue went yesterday?
Yeah, I kind of messed it up a bit. I got stuck a few times, but yeah, it was all right. Got an all right starting position, so yeah.
What's your start position today?
16th. So
by the time you get out, there should be some tyre marks there, which will give you a little bit of a hand, really, sort of give you an idea where you're going and things. So your first time here, it's all new.
Yeah, I think it'll help me for there to be a line already there. So yeah, I'm not too stressed about starting a little bit behind.
Good luck today, mate. Thank you. Very quickly with Jonny. Jonny, how's things, mate?
Good, thanks. Yeah, good.
We've seen some of the videos you've been putting on, and you're riding the 1090. Have you got what you've got at home? Sorry, I'm just getting drowned out with the noise behind me. Yeah. But yeah.
There's always one.
There is. Just getting drowned out by one of the mechanics revving the bike up. But yeah, I've seen a few video clips with you and Jess on riding at home. You got a 1090 now, KTM.
1290. We went for the big dog. Yeah, that's been perfect training for this. We just did loads of hours on the 1290 on the road. It's been perfect. Up and down the beach, perfect.
Looks like a lot of fun. But going back to Romaniacs, bit of bad luck last year. You crashed out on day 2 down that crazy downhill and you hurt your hand. But a lot's passed since then. You're riding well at the moment, and happy with how the prologue went yesterday?
Yeah, it was good. There was we went off the start. Billy took the whole shot, and I knew that he was going to go, so I knew there was no point trying to battle for first. So we tried to settle for 4th, ended up 5th. We didn't really. There was a bit of confusion who everyone was. So yeah, I'm happy. 4th, 5th, or 6th. It's perfect for the start.
2 times winner here, so looking for a podium win this year again.
Yeah, that's it. 2 wins, 2 DNFs. 3rd time lucky going for the win again.
And you are leading the West Championship at the moment with quite a lot of points in the bank.
Yeah, that's the main thing, well, obviously I want to win this race, there's no doubt about it, but yeah, the championship is the main goal for this year.
Well, good luck today. We'll just have a quick word with Taddy now. Taddy, very quickly.
Do you want me to do the mic? Do you want me to go back and forth with the mic?
Right, Taddy, 3rd at the prologue yesterday. Not the best position to be in. You're the first rider out. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely was not the position we were looking for. But yeah, I mean, with all the confusion, the track was actually hard to really know where you're at. So yeah, happy with third. It was good to be on the podium, the prologue, and today's going to be hard work, But anyway, we're going to give it our best for sure.
You've got 4 days of around over 200 kilometres each day. That's going to be a long test. I mean, you're normally used to doing like the one-day events and things. Do you think you're fit for it?
What do you think?
I hope so.
well, I wouldn't be here, right?
Yeah. Good luck today, mate. All right, thank you. See you at the end. All right, cheers, guys.
Have a good day.
I will. That is Jonny Walker and Taddy Blasuziak. Good spot to Nathan Watson as well. Taddy was here, I think it was in 2013, and didn't finish the event. I think he came out in day 2 with injury. So we'll see how he gets on this week. I know he does. That's Tom Hiley there, just walking across the centre. But yeah, it's going to be very testing for some of these riders, particularly guys like Nathan Watson. It'll be interesting to see how they get on, and Joseph Garcia as well. It's 4 long days, and it's something different to what they normally do. So I wish them the best of luck today and for the rest of the week. We'll try and catch up with them as the week progresses. I'm quite sure we will do that. But we're now going to have a wander around the rest of the paddock. Just give you an idea what's going on. This is the base this year. A bit of a car park area. Or I'll say a little bit of rough ground. Want of a better word. You can see all the guys are just getting organised. We've got the gold class going out very shortly, followed by silver, bronze, and then last will be the iron class. So the plan for me today is obviously see some of the start, and then we're going to get up to the service point, walk into part of the track, and then get some footage at the service point, and then head to the finish. The logistics of getting to some of the spectator points today might be quite difficult, so I'm just going to have to play that by ear really. I don't want to be getting to a point and having to walk a few kilometres into the forest to get to one point and wasting 2 or 3 hours walking. So I'm just going to do what I can do while I'm on my own. But we're now going to head back down to the Eurotech, the tents, and see what's going on down there, see if they are getting mobilised for their move. You can see it's all busy. So that's it for the moment. I think we'll come back once the first rides are underway and get some footage there. So stay tuned for more updates from Romaniacs 2018.